Start off Thursday morning in the 30s. 45 though tonight, partly cloudy, and then tomorrow 63 with sunny skies. Gusty winds out of the northeast, 20 to 25, gusting to 35 miles an hour. It's going to be really windy. 46 through the heartland tonight, a bit breezy at times. And then tomorrow starting off mostly cloudy, then the skies gradually clear, 62, and winds gusting to 30 miles an hour as well from the south. And as we mentioned, with that cold air, 36 on Thursday morning, so frost will be possible in some of our rural areas. 65, and we start warming up to the 70s by the